Honorable Transport, PS Tourism, the Ambassador of AFIADEF, Taja, CEO AFIADEF, John Howell, all CEOs of different airlines, distinguished participants and investors, good morning. Welcome to Kenya, the heart of Africa, and welcome to Nairobi, the city under the sun, the green city under the sun. And welcome to magical Kenya. My name is Penina Malonza, the Cabinet Secretary for Tourism, and I'm honored to be here this morning to welcome you once again. I was here on Monday in the first forum that we had for investment in hospitality, and today is a bright day again, where we will be speaking more about investment in our airlines, airports, and connecting businesses around Africa and around the globe. So with those few remarks, allow me to thank you for choosing Kenya once again for this meeting after a long shut by COVID-19. This morning, we're very honored to have His Excellency, the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya, join us this morning to make his opening remarks. And so I will ask all of us to be upstanding as we welcome him to make the opening remarks. Thank you. Applause for him, please.